This is the garbage disposal air switch by Waterstone. It comes in 3 parts. This is one. That button at the top is what you push up and down to turn on and off the garbage disposal. There's a ring at the bottom that you unscrew, pull the washer off, set that into the countertop, put the washer in underneath, screw that on by hand, and then those screws that you see are how you tighten it. It's very easy to tighten. Then we have an air tube that connects to the bottom. That just plugs right in there. And then you would plug in the other end into the receptacle, which is shown here, and you're almost finished. All you do is plug this into the wall and plug your garbage disposal into it, and you're done. It's a fast, easy, simple operation.